Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this truly lovely 2017 17 plate Volvo V40 D4R design Nav-Plus. Lovely car, finished in black metallic paintwork, which looks absolutely fantastic. All the bodywork on this car, very nice and straight, no signs of any sort of dents or dings, no larger scratches that would deter you from buying the vehicle. But the D5R Design Plus basically gives you the full exterior sports body kit, so you get more pronounced front and rear bumpers, nice side skirts, a nicer alloy wheel. So coming through to the wheels, we're riding on these lovely 17-inch 5-spoke alloys, finished in a lovely sort of satin black with a diamond turned outer edge. Now those wheels are riding on fantastic tyres. We've got privacy glass to the rear, bright silver window surrounds, obviously nice dual exhaust, nice lower diffuser, rear parking sensors. Now looking through to the boot, yeah, quite a bit of luggage space in there. So we've got a parcel shelf there, we've got split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. Down here you'll find your tyre inflation kit. And then just going through to the driver's side, inside is a lovely half leather and half suede cloth sport seats. So very nice and breathable. Very nice and breathable. Obviously we've got leather on the bolsters, lovely contrasting cream stitch with cream piping all throughout the car. So obviously on the bolster, on the seat base, this is where you tend to pick up most of your wear, but as you can tell, those are in nice order. It doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in, doesn't smell like it's ever had any pets. With this type of interior, the smell does tend to linger, so it's a nice thing to know that it's not been smoked in. To the rear, again, lovely order, Isofix in the bottom for your child seats. We've got a nice central armrest which you can fold away, cup holders to the rear as well, so just pull the little tab and your cup holders pop out like so. Looking at the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched or stretched out, they're in nice condition. But then just jumping into the driver's side, I'll pull the keys out of my pocket. So this vehicle is supplied with both keys. So to start the car, all you do is put it in its designated slot. I'll just close the door, take the seat back a tiny smidge, and then all you do is press the starter button. So rumbles into action straight away. The fit and finish inside, very sort of simplistic, lovely, fantastic quality materials used. So everything feels fantastic and premium in the hand. We've got bright silver detailing all throughout the car. We've got this lovely leather trim that follows through onto the door cards. We've got this sort of leather effect detailing on the dashboard as well, which looks nice. We've got park folding mirrors. We've got our central locking, 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear. We've got automatic lights, so you don't need to worry about those. A full leather multifunction steering wheel, so on here you'll find your cruise control, you'll find your speed limiter and all the controls for that. All your media controls, so voice command, Bluetooth phone, all your radio settings, full onboard computer, so that's all controlled via the stalk there. So as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 31,886 miles. Coming through then to the centre, we've got a full DAB radio with all the extended channels. You've also got your disc, USB, iPod, HDD and Bluetooth music. The phone is very nice and easy to connect, very nice and easy to use. You've got your web browsers, and then obviously being the Nav model, you've got your satellite navigation. Now that's all controlled via the buttons in the centre there, so you've got radio, media and much more. We've got a digital dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver, and it'll show you the actual temperature at the bottom there. It'll show you also the blower speed and obviously where the air is going to. 6-speed manual transmission, central cup holders and a 12-volt power outlet. Lovely handbrake, feels fantastic in the hand. Central armrest with quite a bit of storage within there. You've got another 12-volt power outlet and a USB port. But a nice car. Like I said, you can truly see that the vehicle's been cherished by the previous owners. Supplied with both keys. A very nice service history, so I do advise having a read of the advert. And then condition wise, very nice. So if you'd like anything further on this vehicle, you can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. At the moment we are trying to work via appointments, so please do get in touch before travelling down and we'll happily book you in. I always recommend having a look at our reviews. So on Auto Trader we're a 5-star dealer with over 500 5-star reviews. If you go through to our Facebook page, you'll see happy customers who've travelled a distance to collect their cars. We do sell a lot of cars to down in London, up in Scotland and even abroad. But thank you very much for watching the video. Anything further, there's myself, Dominic, there's both of my colleagues, Graham and Lee. So any one of us will be happy to help you. But thank you for watching and we look forward to your inquiry.